In this session, we are going to discuss about method overloading in Java. So for that purpose, first understand how we create the methods and what is the different things in method. So here we have created a method public void add, and in the bracket, round bracket, int a comma int b, and then we have defined the curly bracket. In this method, this add is called the method name. This part is called the parameter. In the round bracket, we just define the parameters here. This is called method parameters. So if your method is not taking any parameter or it is a without parameter, this part will be blank here. And now third thing is that just before the name of the method, we define the return type, or you can say method return type. So in yellow color, I have defined it is void, means the method is returning nothing. If method is returning something, here we define the return type. Okay, and this curly bracket int d equal to a plus b, that is called method body. So these three things, method name, return type, and method parameter, these three things combined together are called signature of the method. Okay, so these are called signature of the method. Now, what is the overloading? Overloading allows different methods to have the same name but different signature. It means you can say that whenever you are using the concept of overloading, overloading says that in the same class, you can create multiple methods with the same name. With the same name, you can create multiple methods with the same name in the same class, but you have to make a difference. In how you can make a difference? Either difference in number of parameter, there should be difference in number of parameter, or there should be difference in type of parameter, or there should be a difference in sequence of parameter. So now let me give the example. So this is my class. I have a Pradeep main class, and in this main class, I have created a method public void add int a comma int b. So here you can say this, the name of the method is add, and it's taking two parameter int a comma int b. Okay, and it is void, it is not returning anything. If we try to create another method, the same thing, like name of the method is add two parameters int a comma int b. So, okay, so in this case, you will get an error duplicate method. It means with the same name in the same class, you cannot create multiple methods. If you want to create, you have to follow the rule of, you can say, method overloading. And what is that? Difference in number of parameter. There should be difference in number of parameter, or there should be difference in type of parameter, or there should be difference of sequence of parameters. So we have created it. So how we can resolve the error? Simple. I have added one more parameter. Like you can say, in my first method, int a, int b, two parameters are there. I can create another method, but I have to change the number of parameters. So in my second method, I have three parameters, int a, int comma b, and int comma c. Now the same way I can create another function with the same name in this class, but the type of parameter should be different. You can say here in the first method, the first parameter is int a type and second parameter is int type. In my third method, I have defined first parameter as a int, but the second you can say parameter is float type. So this is also I have created a different. Now the fourth thing is that you can difference in sequence of parameter. In my third method, the first parameter is int a, second parameter is float, but in my fourth function, what I have done, I have taken the first parameter as a float and second as a int. So you can see that I can create multiple methods in my class, but we have to make a difference using either one of these ways, and this is called function overloading. Now here you can say that in my class, I have already shown you that I have created four methods: add with two parameters, add with three parameters, add with two parameters, but the first parameter is int and second parameter is float, and the fourth function is add, where first parameter is float and second parameter is int, you can say. Now you can say that in my demo class, if you try to create the object of Pradeep main class, and if you try to fetch the functions, like I've written this object pmc.add, so you will see that it is showing you four methods. So at the time of, you can say, at the time of writing the code, or you can say at the time of writing the code, whatever method you will choose, that will be called at runtime. So it means in method overloading, what happens that overloading is related to the compile time, or you can say it is a static polymorphism. It means whatever method you will call at you can say at compile time, that method will be called at the runtime. So at compile time or at the time of writing the code, you can decide that which method you want to call. You want to call add with float or int parameter, add with int a or int float b parameter, or you want to call add with both int parameter, or you want to call add with 3 int parameter. So whatever method you will call, that is decided by or at the time of writing the code, at the time of compiling the code. That's why it is called compile time polymorph. So if you have any doubt in this, you can say overloading concept, you can put in the comment of this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.